So this is just a recap for live stream 204, and as you can see here, we've got a positive P&L. It's not a true reflection of how the day went. It was a rather difficult day. We seem to be starting the days really badly and later digging ourselves out of a hole. So it seems that maybe I should start the day later, because the earlier I start the day, I dig myself into a hole, but later on I'm able to dig myself out. So if it seems, so maybe if I start later, I'll be trading the market during the period where I would usually be digging myself out of a hole, and rather than be digging myself out of a hole, I'll be adding to my P&L. So let's talk about the most recent trade. The most recent trade. And the most recent trade was this break-even-ish trade right here. And while I should have allowed the trade to work itself out, because I realized a NQ trade, the P&L was where it was, I decided to close the trade there for break-even, because I took the trade, the ad was there, I placed the order, price was coming up towards the ad, and then I decided that I would stop trading. So closed it simply based on the P&L. Of course, if I'd left the trade alone, the trade would have come down to where the green line was, where the target was down at 24.75. Would have added it further about 22 to this P&L, would have brought us up above 30 on the day. So we took quite a few trades, and ES was our worst instrument. We can see here on the right hand panel of the screen, we lost 46 on ES. It's not for a lack of good opportunities. Of course, we were saying that we could have got this nearly in half if we'd have followed through with the plan on this trade. Also, we had a trade here, came 2 ticks from target, put the order at break even, and price came back, took us out. So could have managed that a little bit differently. Made some good decisions, got out of this trade here early before price is reversed. This trade here went and hit target. We had some really good trades on gold, but we stopped trading gold. We thought we didn't want to push our luck because we've had difficulties in gold for a couple of weeks. So after accumulating our P&L, we decided to stop trading, but gold continued to work to the upside, continued to trend to the upside, and provided quite a few opportunities that would have worked out profitably. NQ, our most traded instrument, took quite a few trades. Again, this was a similar trade to the ES, recognizing that prices had stalled, got out. Very fortunate here, and the price is reversed to the upside. Would have been stopped out anyway if we'd have kept the position. So getting out early definitely served our interests. Over here, we took a short? Yeah, that would have worked. That worked out pretty well. That was a short that over on ES came within 2 ticks from target before reversing. Actually hit target there on NQ. Over here was late getting in, got in, decided to take profit. Got in, decided to take profit, wait for prices to pull back. Prices pull back, got us in. Plus we had an ad and the target was hit there. And as we can see, prices extended further to the downside. And this extension to the downside was what would have helped us hit the target here on ES. So those were pretty much the trades. Took a few other trades, but I'm most proud of the break-even trades, recognizing the market wasn't compliant. Took a FOMO trade through here as well, should mention it. Where was it? This dump here went short, saw prices were coming back, thought it would have been follow through. Took a loss there. Similar on NQ. It was a big dump candle, this candle here, large volume, saw prices were coming back, so decided to get out for a loss over there as well. And let's see, we'll have a look here at the trade performance. Over on the trade performance, you can see we're positive, up 14, thought we'll be in line for a good day. Drew down a huge amount, realized minus 29, unrealized. I was over minus 40, and from those lows down at the minus 29s, managed to dig myself out of a hole and ended back up positive, pretty much 10. So had a 140 swing in my favor in terms of P&L. If you ever look at the summary page, we can see here gross profits 162, gross loss 152, quite a bit in commissions there. Profit factor is about 1, which isn't great. There's a drawdown, 144, huge drawdown, certainly not sustainable. The accuracy, probably a byproduct of the break-even trades. That's reason, and the break-even trades undermine the average winning trade down at 665. The probably have contributed to the accuracy there, but the average winner being smaller, average losing trades a fair bit bigger, largest win quite a fraction below the average, the largest loss. Don't like to see that sort of thing. Time in the market about 8 minutes. That's typically what I'm looking for on trades, somewhere between that 8 to 18 minute mark, somewhere in that region. Usually serves me well. That pretty much just summarizes everything in terms of what we did today. So it's not great drawing into these deficits. They certainly aren't great. Let's see. What was the peak of the deficit? So that 10 a.m. period. So around about at 10 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m., I seem to be having difficulties here on this market. But I'm just happy to walk away with positive P&L. It's only 10, well, 9.7. It's not a lot, but it's certainly better than having a losing day. And of course, I'll be putting the live stream, the entire video, on the bottom right hand side of the screen as a bit of a card if you want to watch back all the trades. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.